What's up, my beautiful people? It's a very wonderful day. I'm coming live from home. Anyway, if you're joining, thank you for joining. My name is Chef Matiko, and please consider subscribing to my channel because you're the people who take this channel to the next level. So today I'm going to talk about amazing. Today is going to be so educative for you. So stay tuned. I have my notebook. If you see me with this book, it's small, but it has a lot of knowledge. But anyway, I'm going to share with you a smoothie that fight with those kidney diseases and also prevents you from getting kidney diseases. Apart from that, I'll be sharing a very wonderful smoothie, a very wonderful recipe that is so nutritive and kills all the bacteria if you are that person who is suffering from a urinary infection. So stay tuned, like the video, watch it until the end, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment. An important thing is to share this message. You have a friend or you are suffering from one of the two, please, today is your day. Listen, take down the notes because I have amazing knowledge for you. So we're gonna start this video by starting with the most important is kidney disease. You know, it's brought about with various substances, but today I'm giving you a solution to prevent or to fight that disease. My name is Chef Matiko. We're gonna start. Have my notes, take a book or something, but if you're gonna capture it, just do it. For the sake of you or for the sake of your friend, share this message. So, happy kidney. That is a smoothie that, you know, the doctors tell you take a lot of water, of course. That is the best thing to fight kidney diseases and, of course, the medication. But today, I'm giving you natural, very good recipe to fight that disease or to prevent you from getting kidney diseases. I have my notes here. I'm going to read one by one ingredient because I don't want to go so fast. I only want you to understand and capture that knowledge, okay? So one-on-one, we are going to start with 4.5 medium-sized asparagus. 4.5 medium-sized asparagus. That is a very natural ingredient that you can find anywhere you go. So just take that, take 4.5 cups of watermelon. It's so nice, you know, watermelon is natural and it's super nutritive. It has a lot of functions. So today we're gonna use it to fight this disease, kidney diseases. And of course, 1.5 tablespoons of molasses. If you have molasses, they're easily available, affordable. Just take 1.5 teaspoons of molasses, and also 2.5 celery stalks. Of course, celeries are found all over the world. Take that and of course mix all the ingredients with watermelon, and then in a blender, blend, or in a juicer, get the juice, and of course add the molasses and sweeten with brown sugar, vanilla, or something else. It's your choice. So thank you so much. That was about the kidney. It's a very short video, but get the knowledge. That is the most important thing. I'm going to number 2. The number 2 disease of today is urinary infection diseases. People get it from, you know, you go to a place, they get the diseases, you don't know how you've got it because it's infectious and it's a bacterial disease, of course. And so today we're going to fight it. We're going to fight it using natural way. We're going to fight it using a very good technique, and we are going to use a natural way without medicines and all stuff. So you're gonna try this if you have an infection, and of course it's so helpful. Do you know somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody who's suffering from urinary disease? Today's your day, so please consider liking this video, share it so that people to get this knowledge, and please tell them to subscribe. Subscribing is the anthem, because whenever you subscribe, you get to support me and you get to be notified whenever I post a video. So today I'm going to share 2 recipes. I've already shared one that is for kidney, and 2 This is for urinary infection. It's called urinary seductive. You know, we get bacteria from different places, and you know, of course, majority infection have the capability of attaching themselves in the inner bladder. You know, so mostly girls are infected, and also boys are infected too, but mostly in girls. So if you're a boy, if you're a girl, it never matters. What matters is this ingredient that I'm going to give you. So they might, you know, the bacteria, when they are in the bladder, in the part of the bladder, they multiply and cause irritation, of course. And you know the good way to go with it, the berries, blueberries, red berries, detach the bacteria from the inner bladder. And also we have coconut milk that have antibiotic substance that will fight the bacteria. And also lemon. We've been talking about lemon. Lemon is small but a very powerful, of course, ingredient to everything, to cancer, to urinary diseases. And so, of course, I'm going to combine all the ingredients and follow this procedure. So we're gonna have 1.5 cup of blueberries, 1 cup of coconut milk, and also we also have 1 cup of water. We also have 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Oh wow! And we also have a sweetener. You can sweeten with panela. You can sweeten with you know, brown sugar, whichever choice you want. But the ingredients are available. Lemon is available in the market. Lemon, coconut, of course. Everything that I've mentioned. So follow that, and you'll be ready to go. So thank you for watching this video. It was short but amazing. Share this video to your friends so that they get to know. And please tell them to subscribe to Chef Matiko YouTube channel. Go to Twitter, I'm Chef Matiko. Go ask question on Instagram, I'm Chef Matiko. So thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for your support. Today we are at 1.8 subscribers, 1.8K, and I hope that I'll be getting more soon. Thank you for watching this. I appreciate. I see you next time. My name is Chef Matiko. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. Take this message home to help your friends. Help those people who need your help. Help those people who don't need your help. Of course. Be free to help and feel free to help. Share this idea, share this message. Of course. You know, urinary infection is so obvious. And of course, kidney diseases are so obvious. So take this message home. Thank you so much. I'm signing out. Thank you.